Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode, we're off to a wedding. That's it, in the van. So as you can see, we've hung up all our shirts and jackets. Everything's ready to go. And Adam's also inside packing up stuff for Twyla because she obviously can't come to the wedding. Anyway, but good news, Rob and Laura, who you would have seen in a lot of our Easter videos when we go away at Easter time, are going to take her for 2 nights. 1 night for the wedding, and then we're going to try to do some free camping in, I think, Echuca. So, yeah, so we're going to go check and see if we can find somewhere there. But anyway, let's get on with this episode. Let's go inside and see how Adam's going with Twyla, and then we'll go drop her off and then head off to this wedding in Moama. Moama. Yeah, well, we're going across the border. New South Wales. Woo! So are we all ready to go, Adam?
Yes.
Oh, did you make a coffee? I love that coffee cup. That cup.
I like to act like you're surprised. You knew I was making a coffee.
Yeah, I know, but I like that coffee cup because I got that in Mexico. But anyway, there's Twyla. She's got her seatbelt on, ready to go to aunties and uncles. Yes, Twyla.
I've got to chuck these in the van.
She's a bit stressed, actually. All right, let's hit the road. Well, we just did it. We dropped off Twyla to Laura and Rob's house. So she's got a little friend. They're actually babysitting 2 dogs this weekend, Twyla being one of them. So yeah, she's taken, he's a boy, like a fox terrier, and they were just running around the backyard chasing each other. So we think they're gonna be okay, but we'll soon see. We might be coming home a day early. Ooh. Anyway, Echuca. We're crossing the bridge into New South Wales, and we're heading over to our caravan park, which isn't far from here. It looks like it's 10 minutes from the bridge, but yeah, we've crossed the Murray. Yeah,
Murray, yes.
I always get confused. But yes, so now here we are. Moama.
Don't know what that is.
That's cool.
It's cool.
So we've just rocked up to the caravan park where we're staying the 1 night, and Adam's just ran into reception because we had all these cars in front of us, and he thought, oh, we're going to be waiting forever. So he's run in. So let's see how long he takes. All right, so we've got our site.
We do, yes. Kind of smack back in the middle.
Smack back in the middle. Okay, we'll head on in. Well, we've parked the van and run straight to the bathrooms at the caravan park, so we can get ready for the wedding. We've got to literally get ready in an hour and a half, and you know, it does take us a little while to get pretty. I mean, look at my hair, jeez. Anyway. Check out these bathrooms. I just want to quickly show you the individual little bathrooms. So you get your own little toilet, and Adam's in the one next door. Toilet, a shower, a mirror, a heater. Yeah, it's got everything you need, and plenty of room to move. Like you're not stuck in the cubicle. But anyway, I better go do something with his hair. Well, it's the first time I've ever used a hairdryer in our van because I'm normally always wearing a cap. It's not often we go to a wedding. Now it's time to put product in. But let's see if I can tame this beast. Whew, there's a lot of hair. Well, we're almost ready. Adam, you haven't got your top on yet.
No.
Leave it to the last minute. Let's get your shoes on. Shoes are on. Shirts are ready. We don't think we're taking our jacket. Well, Adam's going to take his, I think. You're taking your jacket?
Because it's later on in the evening, it's cold.
Oh well, we'll soon find out if we end up taking them. Now, it's at a winery, and the winery is right next door to this caravan park, so pretty exciting. Well, we are ready to go. Got my shirt on, got my jacket. Wait, let me just do a fashion parade. Now let's see what Adam looks like. Adam, you'll go.
It's quite a bit warm for a jacket, actually.
But that's all right. Anyway, all right, guys, off to the wedding we go. Look at him, show pony. So before we take off, I thought I'll just quickly show you this is our little bit of green grass. We're on a slab, and so yeah, it's actually a nice little spot. And there's also another van lifer just over here. How cool is that? So we've just had the ceremony. We're walking up from there now. We didn't want to film it. We'll just let them do their thing. But we're just having our wine, and we're just got to walk up this hill.
Oh, yeah.
Check this hill. We've got to walk up. We'll see how we go. Hopefully we can still stand. We've had a few people fall down. Adam's dad fell.
That was different though. He tripped on a sprinkler.
He tripped on a sprinkler. There was a sprinkler down where the water was. And look, that's the water right there. You can see there's a houseboat right there. How cool is that? Wonder if they're staying on that. Are they staying on that houseboat?
No.
No. Okay, they're staying in the same caravan as last, probably. Anyway, let's head up to the reception.
Is able and can, please grab your streamers and make yourselves your way up to the dance floor. Give one end of your streamer to Tim and Cad.
Alright, so the wedding was fantastic. Now I'm up nice and early to show you around the Merool on the Murray Tasman Holiday Park. Wow, that's a big name. So let me take you through and show you what this park has to offer. Now, before I go any further, from the park you can get access straight to the river. They even have a boat ramp so you can bring your boats, jet skis, all the rest of it, and have fun on the water. But one other thing is there is a lot. Like, this park is huge. I haven't even finished showing you the park yet, but this place has a lot of long-term residents in their cabins, and some of these cabins are absolutely beautiful. I'll show you a couple. Also, I've got to show you the pool, I've got to show you the gaming room. Oh, there's still so much more to go. All right, well, back to the tour. After that tour, I thought I deserve a coffee and make one for Adam as well. We're going to have these, have a bit of brekkie, and then going to pull out of this park and head into Moama. Now we've just left the caravan park and I thought I'd just pull over 10 minute walk up the road from the caravan park is the Moama RSL. This place is awesome. You won't miss it because it's got the tanks out the front. Look how cool they look. And this place serves really good meals. They got the pokey venues, they got the tab, plus also they do have entertainment from time to time here. So definitely check this out if you come along. And so yeah, so in this one street, you got 10 minutes down the road walk, the RSL, get a meal, and you've got the winery right next door, which is normally open for people to dine and stuff there, but sometimes on occasion just ring ahead. If they've got a wedding like we had there last night, obviously it'll be booked out. But anyway, on the road and off to Moama main town centre. So let's hit the road. Although I wouldn't mind going to have a poke, but no, we'll leave that for later. Try it on, Adam.
Oh, it's too big.
No, have a look at the mirror. Is there a mirror?
It is literally loose. It's...
So we've come down to the Moama Market. Now this is on nearly every weekend. They've got everything from food to bric and brac to jewellery, you name it, they've got it. So you can come check them out. If you want to check out dates, go to their website. You can look up, it has all the different dates listed. So yeah, it's a good way to end your weekend.
What are these freedom things?
What have we got here, Adam?
wood fire?
Yeah, they're pretty cool, aren't they? And look at that one. We could literally take that camping with us. I don't know where we would fit it, but that's kind of cool. So it's using like old wheels. That's a big truck wheel.
Gas bottle.
That looks like, I don't know what that is. It's an old barrel. Truck wheel, something else. These would be so cool. I love that. I want that one. Thank you. Thank you very much. So we're just leaving the market. It's a bit bright. The sun's a bit woo, but it was a really good market. Now, if you want to know where the market is, it's pretty much under the bridge that goes across to the older bridge that goes across to Echuca, and so that's where you can find it. And we didn't leave empty-handed. What do we get?
Just got some vintage cheese.
It's beautiful. You've got to taste these cheeses. So nice. There was actually a salami stand next door as well. That's really nice homemade salamis. So, and you can taste them before you buy. So even better. All right. Well, let's hop in the van
and also, if you do come, don't forget to bring cash. Some stores don't take EFTPOS. So yeah,
we probably would have brought some more cheese, but we only had enough to buy one because we only had $10 on us. But anyway, we got our favourite, so that's the main thing.
Better than nothing.
So we've just crossed the border again, so we're back in Victoria. We thought we'd do a walk around Echuca. It's a beautiful place and there's plenty to look at. So we have been here before, so if you want to check that video out, at the end we will link it in so you can just tap the screen and watch that after this video. But anyway, our first stop, of course, we're going to the bakery. Now, one place you definitely have to come to when you are in Echuca is this little street, which is the scenes from the movie All the Rivers Run, if you remember that movie from way back. Now, in this street, you can go on a horse, there's a train you can look at, you got the port, you can see the boats. This is where you buy your tickets to go up on the boats. Also, they've got wine tasting, they've got port tasting, and there's a bit of live music happening over here at this pub. How cool is that? But anyway, this is full of life, this street, and definitely a place to come. Most of it's free, so you can just come along and check it all out. Obviously, the boat rides aren't, but this street is free, and it feels like you're back in time, just like you're at Southern Hill. And yeah, so definitely check this out. Again, I'll link in that video at the end, so you can see what we got up to here last time we were here. All right, well, let's move on.
Bridge collapses. I once saw a whole train on its side on the line between here and Bendigo. Your bales are all strewn as far and wide as the eye can see.
Not very exciting.
So what have you found, Adam?
We're technically officially on the border, so Dean's on the New South Wales side.
So I'm on this side.
Yeah. And then
Here I am.
I'm on the Victorian side.
And Adam's in Victoria. I'm in New South Wales. I've left her in Victoria.
And then due to Federation in 1901, that abolished taxes between the two borders when shipping stock either side.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Right. There you go. Victoria, New South Wales. All right, let's keep looking around. This has been really nice out here. So we've just gotten back to the van after a big day in Echuca, which we kind of weren't expecting. We didn't thought we would only be here for a little bit, but no, we've spent the whole day pretty much here. Now we are in the van. Adam is on Wiki Camp app? Yep. Wiki Camps app, looking for somewhere to stay along the river tonight. I was going to message during the week I've never met them before, but I don't know if I can call them friends, but we follow Gay and Lesbian, and they do a lot of camping on the Murray River. So I should have contacted them and found a good spot to go, but then they four-wheel drive, we in our van, so it's a little bit different. But anyway, hopefully we can find somewhere good to camp tonight, and we're gonna get out the old camp oven if we can. So all right, well, we better smash this up. You found somewhere?
No.
So we've just got to our first spot. It's called Welcome to, oh well, it's not called Welcome to, it's Wheels Bend. So we don't know what this is like, and we're just going to give this a go.
And someone's dumped their rubbish.
Isn't that terrible? Pick your rubbish up and take it home with your peoples. All right, well, let's go. I'm not going to film this bit driving in because it's going to be very bumpy and it won't be enjoyable to watch. Hey, Adam.
Yeah, well, if we use the, it could be enjoyable to watch. But anyway, let's take it straight there.
Okay. Somehow we've managed to end up with this view. How awesome is this, Adam?
Yeah, it's good.
Were you expecting this?
Well, actually, in all honesty, not this close.
No. We didn't expect to get a spot like this. We haven't even got out of the car yet. We just wanted to show you guys what view we've got at the moment. And
It looks like a cliff.
we've got some neighbours over here with some kids and family. That's cool. And they've got a whole heap of firewood. We brought some firewood with us. And yeah, so we should maybe get out and explore. Well, we're quickly set up because we want to get our fire straight on so we can get some coals happening so we can cook our dinner. This is our little attempt at making a fire. Let's see how we go. And I'm just lighting it now.
That's for the blooper.
All right.
It's a bit windy. Oh, it's windy.
Oh, Adam, how can we say we're going to light a fire when you can't even light a match? This is why you should bring a cigarette lighter, guys.
We need like a permanent lighter.
All right, now, Adam, it's literally been a minute since you started. Excuses. All right. Oh, by the way, we brought our old paper documents that we're burning. Well, we need a paper, so we're recycling, kind of. All right, here we go. Let's see if this works. All right, so this is our second attempt at doing our camp oven. Now, if you remember watching last time we did a camp oven, we didn't have one of these guys that go at the bottom, so it stops the food from burning on the bottom. And you can buy covers for your camp oven, but we've found that just using an old pillowcase works just as fine, and it'll save you $16. Bit of advice for you. Oh, there's one Twyla's hairs. She's not with us, but she's in spirit, eh? And there you go. So I'm gonna get that open, get this put inside, and then we are ready to put our meat in and get our camp oven going. So Adam's getting all the veggies chopped up, ready to chuck into the oven.
Our fridge is locked down a little bit too low, if that makes sense. And the carrots are frozen.
So we've got frozen carrots.
But they'll defrost soon enough.
Hey, well, at least our fridge works really good. Bit too good. It thinks it's the freezer. But anyway, so yeah, we've got the carrots tonight. We've got full potatoes. We've got these little ones. Like that. And then also Adam is going to wrap some corn. And we're going to have corn on the cob. But we're just going to put that in foil and put it near the fire. And let's see if that works. And then we've got some chicken. What was it, Maryland? Maryland's chicken, 2 of those. 1 each. And some onion. Yeah, throw them in. We'll have them tomorrow. Fire's still burning off. I've gone and got a whole heap of stuff from around here off the ground. And just trying to get a lot of not ashes, coals I should say, so we can get this on. All right, well, Adam's working hard, and I think it's nearly time to go from Gatorade to wine. So we've just chucked in the corn. It's on tray, so we just chucked a bit of foil around it and just thrown it into the fire, and we'll see how they turn out. But that's our entree, and then Adam's still working on the main.
I know if they're all going to fit. We were saying in our last trip, we should have really brought the next level up, the next size up.
Yeah, we should have gone bigger. And
this is a 9, whatever a 9 means.
Yeah,
it wasn't there. These are 4.5, but
we might just fit it in, Adam. If you,
I think we will. It'll fit.
Let's do it. Let's get it in there. It's like Tetris.
Yeah, it's nearly all in there.
Wow, look at that. It is full to the brim. Oh, we got the shoe. What is it again? The shoe flies. Shoe away happening. Because it's just so annoying. The bloody flies. And actually, I brought some of these today. I've never used these before. Just because the mozzies are bad up here at the moment and you can get some disease. So hopefully we don't get bit by one of them. Anyway, all done.
Give that a couple of hours in the fire and
it's ready to go. All right, let's get it on. All right, so we've got it on now. So we put some coals underneath, the coals on top, and we've still got some fire burning so we can make some more coals for later and keep it going. So it's looking good. Now we've got to go pack up this and sit back and, well, it's actually Sunday night tonight, so our episode starts in like 8 minutes. So we're going to sit down and watch that and then have dinner. Right, so our corn is ready to eat. So we're having this for our entree. You ready to have the, what do they say? What was that old commercial? The rains are coming, Ma. The rains are coming. When they start eating the corn.
Oh, that's right.
It
Yeah,
sprays
and squirts.
Oh, God. Anyway, let's have some corn. Look at this. It is delicious. I think the reason why this tastes so good is because it's wrapped up in itself. We added nothing. We have only had butter on afterwards. But it's trapped all the flavour in here. Oh, it's so good. Adam's thrown his back on. His wasn't as ready as mine was. Mine was a bit burnt at one end. But the rest of it, all good. Yum.
I think next time we'll chuck in some chili and some parmesan cheese.
Oh yeah, chili and parmesan. Yum. That'd be good.
That'll be kind of Mexican style.
Mexican. Yes. Not too bad. I think it's a lot better than last time. Alright, so it's pretty dark outside and we didn't charge our lights, did we? Because we got here
we didn't.
so late that we only had about an hour and a bit of daylight. So make sure you charge your lights, people. Otherwise, it's going to be pitch black outside. Adam's just getting our plates out of the cupboard and...
I'm struggling here.
I know, what's going on, man?
Okay.
Come on. And, yeah, so this is how it looks.
We left our tomato sauce at home, unfortunately.
Tomato sauce? Who has tomato sauce with a roast? That's normally what everyone says
typical
to me. A typical Aussie. Well,
But we actually do have, of all funny things, we did have an extra Macca's sauce from today. Was it today?
No, yesterday.
Yesterday, so
Macca's? We don't eat Macca's.
no, never.
Joking. Anyway, so
We're hoping
there it
the
is.
chicken at the bottom
Let's just hope this chicken
is
turns out
cooked.
alright.
So
Anyway.
we'll dish up and then we'll
We'll
see how it
dish
looks.
up, and then when we get to the chicken part, we'll come back because no one wants to see you dish up 100 potatoes. So the veggies are out now. There was an argument between the two of us.
There wasn't an argument.
Well, I know, but
There's going to be one now, though.
There's going to be an argument now.
God.
Chicken on top of the veggies or chicken underneath the veggies?
I think we've learned now. I think you know
That
what?
is the question.
Well, this is our lesson we just learned now because the chicken is actually stuck. It might literally be just we've stuffed this one up. Okay, people, put your chicken on top.
Put your chicken on top, but is the chicken cooked? Because I know how funny you are about chicken not being cooked, Adam.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is the chicken cooked or not? It was cooking for over 2 hours. That has to be cooked.
It's cooked. It's cooked.
Good.
Chicken's cooked, but
Chicken's cooked.
unfortunately,
Oh,
we
look at that!
haven't-
It's falling off the bone. It's awesome.
Oh god, you're really excited. Yeah, but the chicken's not crispy though. On the normal side.
Yeah, but does it need to be?
On the normal.
This is why I don't like cooking. I just like beef and lamb and, you know, all those red meats. Chicken. But anyway, but he goes at him, you know, he's pulling it all out. But anyway, so let's just go with this, guys. Here we go.
So we're gonna have to.
This is tonight's mess. We've got nothing else to eat, so this is it. Oh, this looks good. This looks really good. Oh, yum. Am I gonna eat that? Oh yeah, it's good.
Is it good? Okay.
No, it's actually really good.
We've got redemption.
Yeah,
Redemption?
I think so. It tastes really good.
Yeah. Okay.
And we've already tasted the veggies. And we know
Lesson
they're
learned:
good.
if you're gonna chuck chicken in a
Slow cooker. Slow cooker.
in a cast iron oven or whatever you want to call it.
Camp oven.
Put it on top.
Camp oven. Alright,
Put it on top.
let's eat dinner. Yum.
So just waking up. Woke up at 6:30. It's now nearly 7 o'clock. Woken up to this view. How gorgeous is this? You can just see the sun poking its head up, and the clouds before were pink. It was gorgeous. I did film it, so you'll see that before this. But how nice is it? I sound a bit croaky. But the guys next door, they've got their fire on. They've got it really pumping. We've skipped our fire. That was our fire from last night. Oh, actually, no, there it is. I can't do the direction of the camera. But that was our fire, all gone and finished. And yeah. Those birds. Now, let's see. Adam's about to get up now. He doesn't normally get up this early. Who is? Hi, Adam. Look, you get to see a little bit of the sun coming up there. You missed all the pink sky, but... So, enjoying our coffee, and of course Adam is trying to keep warm by... What are you doing, Adam?
Hug the kettle.
Hugging the kettle.
Days before. But it's actually really... It's like having a hot water bottle.
Hot water bottle. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn your jeans. Anyway, that's how Adam keeps himself warm when camping. There's a tip for you. Cuddle your kettle. Hey, that could be a new something.
Yeah.
Cuddle your...
Off grid.
Yeah, cuddle your kettle. Oh, look at the setup over here. They've got their swags and a toilet, and they're all swagging it over there. Anyway, back to coffee. Better start cooking breakfast. A bit of wildlife. Look how big that one is. Oh, there's another one in the background. So this morning I'm making bacon and egg muffins. These are the muffins. I'm toasting them on a pan, well, in a pot. And then I'm going to crack some eggs and some bacon. Left the fry pan at home. Yeah. People are packing up. These guys are packing up. And it's only what? 8 o'clock?
8:20.
8:20 and they're already leaving. Anyway, but we'll have this whole place to ourselves soon. Right. Well, these have turned out quite nice. And we've added a little bit of chutney. Is it chutney? Mm-hmm. Yep, to them, just to make them a little bit more tastier. Put down below what you add to your muffins when you go away if you make them, or what you have for breakfast, and let us know what you do. My brother sent me a video the other day where they made wraps, and they had like a rissole, was it? A rissole, hash brown, barbecue sauce,
I think tomato sauce.
Yeah. Oh, anyway, it was pretty cool. I'll have to get him to make them one day and show you how to do them. But anyway, breakfast time. Yum. Well, that's it for another episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this, going from paid camping to free camping. It's been really good.
We've been blessed with weather again. We've been quite fortunate. We tend to go away and get the sun, which has been great. So, yeah, the last few days has been perfect weather in Echuca. As of tomorrow afternoon here, it's raining and storms for the next 4 days.
So we're getting out just in time.
Yeah.
And thank you to all our new subscribers. We both appreciate all the support we've been getting, including Twyla. She appreciates it too. She'll be back next week on the next adventure. Anyway, guys,
don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next Sunday, 5 p.m. as per usual.
See you
guys.
Bye.